Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the arc flow. Okay, because this is a very important topic with respect to your engineering services examination as well as various JEE and AE examinations. Okay, so arc flow basically the deflection of arc or deflection of DC arc due to magnetic field lines. These magnetic lines will deflect this current, this arc, right? This is a deflected arc. This is a deflected arc. Okay. Actually, the arc will be straight. In ideally, this is a straight. This will be a straight. This will be a straight. But due to these magnetic lines will be developed when the current will supply from the power source. Then there is a induction of magnetic lines. Magnetic lines will be induced. Magnetic lines will be induced in the workpiece. So these magnetic field lines will deflect the current. This straight current, straight beam of current will arc will be deflected. Right. So this deflected arc will be called as arc flow. Right. This deflected arc will be called as arc flow. These magnetic lines will be developed due to the current, this current, there is an induction of electromagnetic induction. Due to this electromagnetic induction law, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, this current will be, these magnetic lines will be developed. This will deviate the arc. Okay. This phenomena is generally happened more common in DC arc welding. Okay. The effect of this, you can say, arc welding, arc flow is excessive spattering. Spattering is the basically the throwing out the tiny particles, weld metal from the weld zone to the this metal. This phenomena is called as excessive spatter or spattering action. Next is poor fusion. Poor fusion because the arc is not concentrated. Arc is deviated somewhere, right? That's why the poor fusion. Due to the poor fusion, the efficiency of the welding will be decreased.